this week's video. I'm Kate.
I'm Emily.
And what are we doing this week, Emily?
We're gonna dig.
We're going to dig. So
We're gonna dig with this truck.
Yeah, Emily's going to dig with the trucks. We might dig with spades.
Because I love digging with trucks.
So when we had the stumps ground down, they left all this bark on top. We've saved some of it, but it's all a bit muddy now. And we're just going to dig down to see how far it goes, because we need it below the level of the driveway so that we can patch all this bit and pave some more and fill this in with driveway. So we've taken some of the bark away and we've put our fork down into where the stump was, and it does go down quite far, so we're quite happy that it is below the surface. So hopefully when we're ready we can get that all prepped, ready to lay and continue the driveway into that patch. Lay some pavers there. So George wants to feed the birds, so they need some more fat balls. So you're going to put them in there, George? Yeah, one. Two balls. Three balls. Four. That's it, that would do. Good job. That's it, there's no more room. Oh. I don't know if that's going to fit, George. Will it fit? Just about. There you go. Should we hang that up for the birds?
Yeah.
Are you cutting the cosmos, George? Careful your fingers. Do you want to cut some flowers? Yeah. No, because there's no flowers, George. George, you want one with flowers on? Okay, what about this one? No, this one. Here. That one. Cut it down here. That's it. Cut. Good boy. Any more? This one? That's it. That's it. Good boy. Well done. Birdies. Georgie, we fed them. George, we fed them. There's no more feed for them. We've given them it all. So now that we've picked the last of our squash, we are going to clear the plant so that we have got room for some other things to grow. George, you going to help me? Cut it. Ready? Sharp. That's it. I'm going to cut this squash here. Ready? Like that. Watch your thumb. This goes on and on and on. Let's see where it goes. Try and find it. A bit spiky.
We are making upside down pear cake.
Yep, we thought we would make an upside down pear cake using the pears that we picked last week. So we will slice them in a minute. I'm just caramelising some sugar just so that we can pour that over the pears so they're nice and caramelised. So we're going to peel the pear. Oh, look at that. It sounds crunchy, but it's got a lovely fleshy colour. Right, come George? You want to eat it? I'll please don't stab it. Try it. Is it yummy? I'm going to coat the pear slices in sugar. Is it good, George? Yum, yum, yum.
And as you can see, we are going to mix with this
Mixer.
Wow.
Emily, can you crack an egg?
Yeah.
You crack the egg. Yeah, Emily's going to crack it. Emily's turn.
Georgie, watch my skin.
Lower. Very good. Shake, shake. That's it. Because now I think we might have made too much mixture. We're going to pour it in here.
Wow.
I think it's going to be...
Can we have a
I've just sort of made up this recipe. I've just caramelised some sugar and coated the pear with it. And then I've just made a sponge mixture. That's all they want to do. Hang on, let me just finish. Fingers out. Fingers out. So after we got over the smashing of the bowl, George, not touching. Num num. Num num.
Here's all the pear.
We decided to cut off the top layer just in case any shards of bowl had got into it. But when I put it, eat, you can't eat it yet.
Yeah.
But when we put it in the oven there, I couldn't see any bits of ceramic in there. And I've taken off the top layer anyway now. Now it doesn't look like the neatest cake, but it looks all right. Look, can you see all the pear, Emily?
Yeah.
George, look, it's all like caramelised. Look, it's got like caramelised sugary bits. Yummy, yummy, yummy bits. Yummy, yummy. And the cake. So it should be good.